Hello everyone, so let's journey through the 5 special villages representing the disposition of learning. As you can see here is my documentation panel showing all the different dispositions of learning, and my chosen age group is toddler. First is the playful village. Children chase bubbles, faces glowing as one shouts, "I got it, I got the bubbles." Playfulness sparks creativity, and my reflective question here is, what if we use a giant wand? Next is the seeking village. A child exclaims, "Look, it's changing color," while mixing paints, encouraging problem solving. My reflective question here is, what else can we mix to see a change? Next is the participating village. "Look, teacher, I am tapping my feet," says a child engaged in a song, developing coordination. My reflective question here is, what other body parts can we use to make a music? Now, the caring village. A soft voice offers, "It's okay, you can use mine," sharing a toy and nurturing empathy. My reflective question here is, how can we show kindness to someone sad? And finally, the persisting village. "I did it even though it was hard," declares a child, building resilience. And my reflective question here is, what can we do when something feels too hard? In these villages, playful, seeking, participating, caring, and persisting, we see how each disposition supports children's holistic growth. As educators, we guide them, fostering curiosity, confidence, compassion, and resilience for lifelong learning. This is the end of my presentation, and I hope you like it. Thank you very much.